You bought one of these new awesome Ego string trimmers and you've been using it for maybe a year, year and a half, and all of a sudden you're out of trimmer string and you got to figure out, how the heck do I get the new line on here? Well, with this new Powerhead system, it's really easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to get your new line back onto your trimmer head. So here's just an up close look of this string trimmer. This is the carbon fiber edition with the Powerhead. This doesn't have any type of bump system. It just automatically always has the right length of trimmer string come out of it. But eventually you're going to run out and going to have to replace it. Now I only recommend that you use the Ego brand twist line. Now this one here is pre-cut. You can get them in a bulk pack, but the pre-cut ones come 14 feet long. You can put up to 16 feet of string on your trimmer, but it's maximum. 14 feet is perfect. So this is what the style is I use. It's 095, and this is the pre-cut premium twist line. It's kind of a dual color, green and black. Comes in a 5-pack, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below how to get this off Amazon. So on the back of the package, I just tear open a little bit to get one bundle of the pre-cut string out. Then once you have the tape off, go ahead and just unbundle your twist line. You just kind of want to make sure that it doesn't have any knots in it. Just go ahead and pull it all the way straight. So now if you take a look at your Powerhead, looking at it like this, it's only going to rotate clockwise. Don't try to force it back the other way. You'll see these two slots. You have one there, one there. They're both the exact same. It doesn't matter which one you start with. Now take your trimmer line. You just kind of want to straighten it out at the end. You want about the first 5 or 6 inches nice and straight. Just make sure it's not curled or bent. Insert the string line straight through the slot. Don't put it at an angle like this or an angle like that. It has to be perfectly straight. Just go ahead and push it straight through. As you can see, it's going to come right out the other side. I have about 10 inches on this side and I have about 13 feet on this side. We're going to pull this all the way through until the ends meet and kind of even it out. We have our line all the way through, and you just want to stretch it all the way out until the two ends meet. Now some people at this point will just go ahead and hit the green button on the Powerhead and let the string line just wind itself up. I like to hold a little bit of resistance right here with just 2 fingers. Don't have to hold it real tight. I just like to give it a little bit of resistance as it's winding up. String trimmer is really dirty and you've been using it for a year, year and a half. This button right here might not be visible, but just kind of clean this off and you'll see this green button. Now all we need to do is push down on the green button and it's going to wind the new line right onto the head. Now you just want to make sure that you don't wind it all the way on and then your string goes right inside and then you got to pull it all out, do it all over again. Once it gets about 2 feet away, kind of just bump the pre-winder and just kind of feather it in a little bit. Or if you've done it several times, you kind of get a feel for when it gets close, you just go ahead and let off. Now once that's on there like that, if it's not perfectly even, like see I have maybe about 8 inches on this side, and I probably have about 10 inches on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them off even and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so when I first start out like this, I don't like to leave all this string on here. You know, I do have a cutter right there and it should be fine, but just for out of habit, I just grab a pair of scissors, cut that one, stretch that out, cut this one. Now I'm good to go. I hope this video helped you out and got your string trimmer back in business. Like all other Ego products that I've tested, used, and owned, they work awesome. They always have something new and innovative that's a little bit above and beyond the rest in the marketplace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.